Good morning, everybody. Another day, another vlog. Or this is third day, 3 days apart. But it doesn't go as smooth as I was thinking it's gonna go. Yeah, today I'm gonna clean my combine and I have to put these grains into the bags. So let's get started. Here you are. So before I start blowing out the combine, I open up everything, all the covers, small auger lids, all the lids that are covering something, I take it off. Now I'm gonna blow it out. For the first time I'm gonna blow it out. After that I'm gonna run the combine on full rotor speed. No, it's not rotor. Separator speed. I'm gonna put separator, open up the separator, put it on a max speed, wind on a max speed. So open up this grain sieve and traverse and then blow it out again. Yeah, now we're gonna blow it out. I have a lot of oil here because I blew the hose, one of these hoses. This one was blown out, and also I have a lot of grains, not grains, but straw in there, in this hole, because one of the augers inside the combine has a hole that we found out this year. So in the winter we are taking off cab and fixing that problem. Yeah, I need to make my combine clean. always wear your eye and lung protection, because this is dangerous for you. Now I'm gonna turn on the combine. I need to warm it for a few minutes. A little bit dirty cabin. Oh. I open up the seal and choppers, and now I'm gonna go full throttle, clean out the combine, and then I'm gonna keep blowing because the combine will move and there will be few dust coming out, and after that I need to blow them out again. So dust is gone. Okay, there's a lot of dust, but because of the hose I need to wash it too, but I'm not washing it today. I just wanted to get rid of the dust so it doesn't start rain. So because if it starts raining, then you can't do anything with water. But yeah, the main thing was to get clean that tunnel, and that's done. think I'm gonna attach tunneler to the big Valtra and wash it out a little bit, because we need to change this no, on the other side. Yeah. We need to change this bearing, this one. I think bearing is okay, but it cracked this carpus. Yeah, this is cracked. The holder is cracked. I hope it's not really hard thing to change. But yeah, I'm gonna take it out. But first I'm gonna wash it. Wash it, put it on the Valtra. So yeah. Now I'm gonna take off cultivator and put on turnover. So I'm ready for next week. On Sunday I'm gonna change the bearing. That's my thing to do this week. Okay. So I have to take out the hitch. Gonna take out this hitch because I need Python. I use Python for turnover. So yeah. Yeah. So maybe my brother is going away, so I'm gonna go into the farm. But for now, I put my tractor a little bit different position so it doesn't get in the way. Yeah, for now I'm gonna end this vlog. So see you Sunday. And yeah, peace. See you Sunday.